Hello everyone, welcome back to IEI channel. I'm Joe from IEI Digital Marketing Department. Today I want to share with you the case study of all-in-one network video surveillance solution. Let me introduce the case study first. The common video surveillance system generally provide inadequate video quality at low speed and have limited expansion capabilities, impeding future expansion and upgrades. Moreover, the cross-platform integration is the biggest issue for system integrators and owners. Traditional solutions lack remote access, leading to the composite equipment maintenance and on-site visits, and increasing the TCO when factoring in post-installation maintenance. In short, our client faced these problems. Having effort equipment maintenance and on-site visit. What I just mentioned about the traditional solution is actually the typical black box solution. Part of our clients' and it is to use network availability to reduce the heavy effort of equipment maintenance. And second, how to provide non-stop services. Even the most robust hardware is vulnerable to failure, so it is patent to assuming that things go wrong from time to time. But total services failure and combining downtime is not acceptable in an always-on environment where the surveillance must stay online at all the time. They needed to ensure quick repair and redundancies for minor hardware failures. And then it's low open source software compliance. Software compatibility should be a given for the most widely available software. Supporting the current breed of software is essential for the moment, but it will be even better if future upgrade or a complete switch to other software could be as painless as possible. And next is difficult to upgrade. And this upgrade is talking about the hardware. Expansion is a challenge best tackled before it is needed. Bespoke systems with fixed functions provide little room to upgrade and expand. Upgrading the CPU, adding some inspection card, or adding faster SNS should not require a complete system overhaul. And in the same vein, the quick adoption of AI technologies necessitates VPU expansion cards designed for that purpose to support AIoT and big data. Our customer chose the PUZZLE-IN001 for their video surveillance application hardware. Built on powerful OTS hardware and featuring several easy add-ons and inspection options, it provides a flexible combination of high-speed and high-quality hardware in an industry-standard format. The puzzle is designed from the ground up for smooth rollout and upgrades. And the puzzle has an Intel Core i3 8100T processor with enough power for current use, but can be easily upgraded to any other processor of the same architecture. And it also has two IEI PUZZLE-IN network model slots, allows for simple addition of an LC and display, 25 GB per second networking, or 8 GBE RJ45 port. Additional expansion with the PCIe expansion card, which would feature a VPU for powerful AI video analysis. And networking additions allowed for automated backup of data and other powerful networking functions. And standard hardware and software is easily managed by the regular IT administrator, who can handle all of these tasks until vPro provides powerful centralized management of network computer, and this reduces the number of times a technician has to physically go to the hardware, resulting in a 27% reduction in TCO. It also allows powerful remote management of the hardware over the internet, so upgrades are quick and convenient, and the services providers pass the cost saving on to their clients while returning a full services offering. And redundant power supplies ensure that the failure of one power supply doesn't stop the hardware. In the case of a power supply going offline, and that is a second power supply that can handle the load. A warning is triggered and the faulty power supply is replaced without the system going offline. And Vicky's 4.0 server is available for Windows Server, Ubuntu, and Mac OS, and with comprehensive testing done for Linux Ubuntu 16.04.04 compatibility is ensured. Additionally, with its functions of standard hardware and general availability of drivers, for that hardware compatibility is unlikely to be an issue. And all in all, IEA can offer you a network appliance with these features: easily upgrade with PUZZLE-IN model, high mobility, uninterrupted 24/7 services, all-in-one function for multiple tasks, and centralized management. And PUZZLE-IN001 is one of our Puzzle series products, and we have different type of product for all kind of company. From large size to small size, you can choose the PUZZLE-IN005, PUZZLE-IN001, PUZZLE-IN003, and PUZZLE-IN004 in order. Provide you with the high flexibility and multiple expansion abilities to meet your different requirements. And hence, based on its strength form factor, it can be designed as a pocket surveillance station to increase mobility and easy deployed in anywhere, anytime. And that's all today. If you like our video, please like and share this video. If you want to know more about IEA latest news, please follow our media accounts. If you want to know more about this case study, please scan the QR code. And I hope I can see you next time. Bye bye.